Messes. They happen everywhere, in all forms. No matter what, you gotta clean them up. And no matter the mess or the location, there's a Craftsman wet-dry vacuum that's right for you. Introducing the new line of Craftsman Wet-Dry Vacs. No matter which you choose, they all feature innovative hose, accessory, and cord management that's unlike anything else on the market. Light-duty wet-dry vacs are perfect for small messes in the home and garage. The smaller sizes make them portable, versatile, and easy to store. You can quickly clean up the car or boat, broken glass, or wet messes all around the home. Craftsman light-duty wet-dry vacs are available in the portable 2.5-gallon with wall mount option and a 6-gallon option. If you're looking for a vac that can do even more, check out the Craftsman medium-duty wet-dry vacs. They can handle everything the light-duty vacs can, plus bigger jobs like workshop cleanup, basement seepage, and project debris. Your medium-duty options include the 9-gallon vac and the sleek 8-gallon stainless steel vac. Both have rugged 360-degree casters and large bottom drains for quickly dumping liquids. There are also Craftsman wet-dry vacs for specialty applications. Both specialty vacs have a dual turbo motor, which means they're ultra quiet and pack extra power into a compact design. The 4-gallon ultra quiet household wet-dry vac is specifically designed for in-home use, featuring a triple dust filtration system including cartridge filter, dust bag, and HEPA material exhaust filter to minimize dust and allergens in the air. And the 5-gallon remote control wall mount wet-dry vac features an extra long hose with a remote so you can control the vacuum from wherever you're working. That makes it perfect for convenient garage cleaning or a simple workshop dust collection system. And then there's the heavy-duty lineup. These will clean just about anything you need, from construction sites with big debris to jobs that leave behind metal or glass, and from serious home flooding to wood shop dust collection, the Craftsman heavy-duty wet-dry vacs get the job done. Your most powerful heavy-duty options are the Craftsman XSP wet-dry vacs. These new vacs come in 3 different sizes, 12, 16, and 20-gallon, each of which offers more suction power compared to similar models from Rigid and ShopVac. If power is your thing, pick up a Craftsman XSP wet-dry vac. And your most versatile heavy-duty option is the 16-gallon high-performance 2-in-1 blower vacuum, a wet-dry vac that converts into a 265-mile-per-hour blower. You can also buy a complete set of accessories to make the most of your new Craftsman wet-dry vac. For even greater cleaning performance, use a fine dust or HEPA material filter. Pick up some dust bags for added convenience when emptying your vac. Or buy any of a wide variety of replacement nozzles and hoses to ensure your vac is working at peak performance. In life, there are always messes. The all-new line of Craftsman wet-dry vacs will equip you for all of them.